Hey everyone, back in the shop tonight, and we're working on a KYMCO, I guess you call this a scooter. Kind of an interesting shape. A friend of mine donated this to me when he was moving out of town recently. Couldn't take it with him, but these things are actually pretty cool. I've never actually run one of these, but it's in a whole bunch of pieces, and I'll have to get the boxes out and see what I have in there. Hopefully I've got everything. I think it said it needed some kind of an ignition switch. Wasn't running, but we'll make a run. It looks like the battery is actually even still good. This thing's probably been sitting around for a long time. This little thing literally only has 1,200 kilometers. So I don't know what that is, probably 1,800 miles maybe. So that's pretty good, and looks like it ought to clean up well, and we'll probably get some good cash for this. So I think what he said was it needed a new ignition cylinder, which I'm guessing is this silly thing, or what used to be in here. No, that's just a locking mechanism for this compartment, but I'm guessing there's some kind of a cylinder that has an off and on switch. I don't think these actually have a key. We're gonna have to go do a little homework and see what this thing actually looks like. This is the beauty of all this, when you just get something like this and you don't actually have a basis of what it's supposed to look like. So, you know, we just kind of start just taking stuff apart. I pulled off the airbox top to check out the filter, and looks to me like that's pretty good and clean. Actually, it's really nice. This is an oil injection unit, so this is a little bit torn up. Interesting. All right, well, no, I don't know what that is. Probably supposed to be a access to an adjustment screw here, but nonetheless, these are just all the kind of things I'm always trying to look at, trying to observe what I can see, just doing a once over on everything. We got some wires here that are frayed, missing. It's probably where this ignition cylinder might supposed to be going. Well, maybe it does probably reach just about the altitude of where this is supposed to be. That's probably about that general elevation, and this guy is probably supposed to be somewhere about yay high. So yeah, in theory that's how that will look, but we will have to see. There's a number of wires. I've got a bunch of other pieces that I put in a box when I first got it, because I wasn't sure how long it'd be before I actually got to it. So I think what we'll do is kind of look in the box and see what we have and exactly where everything might fit. This is the fun of all this. We don't really, which once you've never seen anything like this before, and you just kind of looked like you're trying to put together a puzzle. And that's the beauty of all this. So, well, let's grab the box and see what we can see. All my tires for my Nissan Xteras, the old ones from the MR2, those have seen their day. Those are off the Toyota pickup. Got all kinds of extra parts, and let's see, where is our... Naturally, it's on the bottom. All right, well, let's start digging. All right, let's see what's in here. I know there's a fairing in here. There we go. The other thing I'm looking for is a big container of bolts or something. I know they're in here somewhere. That's not good. Or maybe they're not in here. I wonder if we're building a transformer. Oh, I put him in the seat. If I remember right. It's in this guy. This Got to remember how to open it. There's another key cylinder. I don't think I have a key for that one either. Aha! Some more random stuff. Foot pegs maybe? Oh, I think I saw where this goes. Alright, well, it goes somewhere. Somewhere that I'm not going to find tonight. Or am I? That's exactly where that goes. I knew I saw 3 triangle pattern bolts at some point. Cool. Alright. Well, okay. I think we're going to quit for the night because there's enough gas, bad gas in this gas tank. Both of these. I got one out of an old Saturn, putting in a new fuel pump. This is the gas tank off the RT180 that we're going to be putting in. Well, what I got to do is try de-rusting the inside of that tank tomorrow. Probably with some uric acid or some other creative way that I've never done before. And we'll get that bike all cleaned up. That one started up and ran already, so we're happy about that. So we got the scooter. We got the dirt bike. We got the Saturn.